Are you tired of endless sales tasks? Do you struggle to connect with each customer personally? Are you losing deals because you just don't have enough time? AI is here, and it's changing sales fast. Many people worry about AI taking jobs, or they just don't know how to use it safely. Are you afraid of falling behind, or are you just confused about where to start? Meet AI Foundations, the first part of the series Sales with ChatGPT, the complete AI Sales Accelerator program. I'm your instructor. My name is Rodrigo, and I'm proud to have a 4.9 star rating on Udemy from all my students. I'm here to give you real, practical skills. This course isn't just ideas. It's your clear guide to using AI in sales right away. You learn how AI makes sales easier, getting work done faster, sending personal messages, and making smarter decisions. You'll learn the secret to prompt engineering, how to talk to AI so it gives you exactly what you need. And you'll learn how to create great emails, great social posts, and sales pitches that really connect with customers. Imagine letting AI handle the boring tasks so you can focus on building relationships and closing more sales. This course gives you a clear path to significantly improve your sales efforts. You'll learn proven methods that give you a huge advantage right away. This isn't just another course. This is power. Are you ready to upgrade your sales skills and use AI with confidence? Don't miss out. You should enroll in AI Foundations today and start your journey in becoming an AI sales expert.